Want to make serious money on Etsy? Let me show you how I turned selling printables into a $5,000 per month business. If you're wondering how to create, market, and scale a printable business on Etsy, keep reading. These are the exact steps I used to build my Etsy shop, and I'm sharing them with you so you can start making sales today. Why sell printables on Etsy? No inventory or shipping. Digital products equals no physical goods, no shipping hassles. Scalable and low cost. Once your printables are made, they can be sold endlessly with minimal effort. Perfect for creatives. Whether you design planners, invitations, or wall art, printables allow you to showcase your creativity. Step 1. Choosing the right printables. What works? Here's what I sold that made money. Planners. Daily, weekly, monthly, budget. Wall art. Inspirational quotes, nursery prints. Invitations. Weddings, birthdays, holidays. Calendars and organizers. Meal planners, goal trackers. Educational printables. Flashcards, worksheets. Before creating, do your research. Use tools like Etsy Rank and Google Trends to identify trending and in-demand printables. Step 2. Creating high-quality printables. 1. Design tools. I use Canva Pro to create professional designs quickly. 2. File formats. Offer PDF PNG and JPEG formats for your printables. 3. Editable options. Offering customizable templates will give you an edge. People love personalization. Make sure your designs are top-notch. The better your printables look, the more likely customers will buy and leave glowing reviews. Step 3. Optimizing your Etsy listings. SEO optimized titles and tags. Use Etsy Rank to find high traffic keywords for your titles, tags, and descriptions. Engaging descriptions. Focus on how your printable solves a problem or improves someone's life. High quality photos. Create beautiful mock-ups using tools like Placeit to make your printables look professional and appealing. Step 4. Marketing your Etsy shop. 1. Pinterest. It's a goldmine for printables. Create pins linking directly to your Etsy shop. 2. Social media. Share behind the scenes, testimonials, and sneak peeks of new printables on Instagram and TikTok. 3. Etsy ads. Start small and boost your best sellers to increase visibility. 4. Collaborations. Reach out to influencers or bloggers in your niche. Get featured for more exposure. Step 5. Scaling your Etsy shop. To hit $5,000 per month, I scaled my business by 1. Expanding my product line. Offering different types of printables appeals to more people. 2. Reinvesting into ads. I put profits back into Etsy ads to boost visibility for my high-performing products. 3. Seasonal printables. I created printables for holidays and special events, which always bring in more sales. 4. Customer retention. I offered discounts on repeat purchases and kept my customers engaged. Mistakes I made, and how to avoid them. Underpricing. I started by pricing too low. Don't undervalue your work, charge what it's worth. Not testing. Before launching a product, test its demand by checking for search volume. Not optimizing for mobile. Make sure your listings and images are mobile friendly to appeal to on-the-go buyers. Final thoughts. Selling printables on Etsy is an excellent way to build a passive income stream. With the right strategy, you can scale to $5,000 per month and beyond. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newbie, there's no limit to what you can achieve with printables on Etsy. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help you get started. Hooray!